How to activate the Capital One Bank debit card. Hey everyone, and let's get started. In order to activate your Capital One debit card, first and foremost make sure you have downloaded and opened Capital One debit card. You'll have to log in using your credentials, and once that is done, from the home page select your 360 checking account. Thereby you should locate the card tracker option and tap on it. From here, you have to select on Activate My Card button and it will take you to another page. But make sure you have received the physical card at your registered email address or mailing address to avoid the misuse. Once that is done, check the displayed card number, that is the last digits, and the expiration date. This is to verify that they match the received card. Once that is done, tap on Slide to activate and there you go. Once completed, your Capital One debit card has been successfully activated and is ready to use. So this is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.